Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Sheen's here with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to plug in your charger into the output here. So first of all, you're going to need a USB Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. As you can see, I'm trying to get focus here. And you're also going to need a micro USB to USB plug. So first of all, you're going to plug it in to the wall over here, as you can see. Turn this one off and put on the top one over here. Easy. And then you're gonna get the wire over here and plug it in here. It's a really easy step.
Bruh. Really, nigga?
Jesus Christ.
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching and peace.